It is just a two-step process to fix bad pull collar blue screen error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type verifier. Click here to open it. It will open drivers verifier manager. Then check this first option and click on next. Again check this option, then click on next. It will take some time. After that, close this window. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Then type chkdsk and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. After that, type exit to close the command prompt. Then right click on start icon and click on device manager. After that, expand keyboards. Right click here and click on update drivers. Then check this option. Now close this. Again right click on it and click on update drivers. Then check this option. Then check this one and select first model. Then click on next and close this window. Finally, go to search bar and type memory diagnostic. Click here to open it and just restart and check the problems. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You're good to go.